when we initially power up the panel, you'll be asked to touch to calibrate the screen. So we touch the screen and then you tap each of the different coloured circles in turn, and the same with the squares, and then it's calibrated. Now, as you can see from this window, you can see that we have 2 loop modules installed and the rest of the slots are empty. So if we're happy that they are the 2 modules and they're correct, we press the tick key and now we're ready to go. So to learn the loop, you tap the screen, select admin, and the code is 4 9s. Press the tick, and as you can see, the padlock symbol shows we've unlocked, and we touch the admin icon and we're into the admin menu. So to learn the loop, we touch loop, we select which loop we're going to do, and as I said before, if you've got more than one loop, put them consecutively. So port 1 will be loop 1, port 2 will be loop 2, and so on. So we'll learn loop 1. So it's highlighted, so that's fine. If we wanted to do loop 2, we'd press 2. So we'll do 1, press the tick key, and you'll see that the scroll bar will start to move across the screen while the panel is searching for the devices. This can take a few seconds, but once it's finished, we will be presented with another screen showing a summary. So once the loop is finished, the panel's finished searching the loop, we'll get a summary screen which shows us our device types and the quantity of devices that we have. Also, it'll give you a total up here, which is 3, double addresses 0, unknown devices 0. The next tab along is detailed information. So this is where it shows us the actual address number and the device type, and the side A, side B with a cross against it means that that particular device is being seen from both sides of the loop. And the database information, it's showing an equal sign because nothing's changed from the last time the loop was learned. Obviously, when you first learn the loop, you would see 2 exclamation marks because there is a change from what was originally there, because there wouldn't have been any devices. So once you've done that, you exit, confirm the changes, and you've saved the information for loop 1. To learn loop 2, you just go through the same process again. So you'd select the loop icon, select loop 2, and do the same process.